For faster installation of the IBM gadgets, we recommend that you open all the clips first before you start attaching them. Clip the bed sheet first. Hold the elastic band, and then stretch and claw the mattress as shown. Extreme care must be taken when handling the sharp claws to avoid injuries. Lift up the mattress slightly to install the IBM gadgets at the bottom of the mattress as shown. There is no need for you to flip over the mattress. Position the IBM gadgets as shown in the diagram. Thank you for viewing this presentation. For more information, please contact the person who refers you to this video.